Libby. Yep. Do you have a 3 or a red? Do you have a 3? Check your cards. Check your cards.
Hey, Michael, what are you doing?
You have a 3?
Playing?
You have number 3 or a red?
No, only a blue.
Serious game here.
No.
Yeah. There you go. So, here, let me
Sure does look like a serious game, Michael.
Who do that?
I'm going to shuffle.
My
Are you taking?
Two.
Oh, okay. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Well, this is Jacob signing off. See you on the next roll.